Water scarcity during March-April months is becoming annual event with most of the rivers flowing through valley areas getting dried up. People face uncertainty as they are made to fight for limited sources of water during this dry season. Government and relevant authority needs to chalk out a clear-cut plan to address the water crisis before it becomes a perennial issue. SKTV Chief Reporter Khetrimayum Premchand brings you a special report.
Every year during March and April, most of water supply in valley areas of state become defunct as rivers get dried up during these dry season. With major rivers like Imphal River, Iril, Nambul and Kongba dried up, people are likely to face a huge water crisis in the next 2 to 3 days. On the other hand, with rising demand for water doubled by lack of water, people are forced to pay hefty amount to private water tankers in order to get water for their daily use. With water crisis becoming a yearly event, people are raising serious questions on government and relevant authority regarding what steps and measures are being taken to address the recurring water crisis in the state. In the past, government had supplied water at few spots like Kumalampak Sports Complex, Iroisemba during the water-straight months. But so far, relevant authority has not taken any short-term measures. Meanwhile, Director of Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, Dr. T. Brajukumar, has attributed that drying up of springs and hill areas have resulted to parched rivers.
Major train rivers in Silon Singdagi, Center Matane. And Hojik Sing Kangba, Yamtuna Kang, Tarapagi, Isu Toresia, Kuna, Hotudagi, Chahi, Ogiva say, Tereni Pans, the one tenor expense, Givatunadi, Chingdagi. Isingsilak tabni numara catchment degi isingsi thorok tabni thorok tibe isingsi kari dino haira kade koigi turen maru sida mawo masija pisin beribe ifut springs di hojik anamba koigi sida rabana mara mara kanda ifut sikang mara mara kanda koigi chingi turen maru sinda ifutegi isingsi thorok kanda koigi turen maru de isingsi pisilak tabni ising birak tabna koigi inflow koigi environment flow of the river haina koigi lelba turen de lejaba environment flow se leiba ngamdre Lay Pungam Drabanina to the Matsinjak when a Piramba Sagi Isingsi out of the issue in the Ising Kangba, Masi factors here when Mahal Ani, home majorly when a Yambi Canada, when a Hamada climate change impacts Lapuganda, 10 Motam Dakamanung, high intensity of rainfall, high quality. Aten matamda akan nong surakanda di ising nong ising silenum subsalo sang jam handa le subsal bagi sang handa kani lenum da ising subsal ba sang handa kanda underground water runoffs later kanda di sagi iputa thoma ising le horo de aduna surface water gi runoff on sakra kanda koi valley da anamba class pra thopa ngaki chau khuda ko thohala kanda ising se dum lenum le hoda bagi sang se koi kuire koi hoda sahi taruk tere se koi thengrang lai
Directorate of Environment and Climate Change is taking up various initiatives to restore the springs in the state. It is successfully being carried out at Lunghar in Ukhrul district, and this has resulted to some relief for residents in Ukhrul. It is vital to spread these spring restoration efforts as a measure to tackle the water scarcity crisis in the state before it becomes too late.
Adagi atopa ma koina amaruina urisa koina quality of forest saita de koigi u asongo mara yamna hoba mara yamna leiba u asobu sikya chingda lerektaba lerektoma kana koigi leiba nongi singi horiba koi u mara so fazil laga lenunga lehlo bodu chu adu u asobu leitaba mara kana ising fazil lawda simasi koi kuiraba koigi masi indicate tawrag leraba du lerang thlabne hatare ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯄꯤ ꯀꯜꯇꯤꯚꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯣꯛꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯕꯔꯟ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯗꯦꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯜ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯁꯣꯏꯜꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯨꯞꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯍꯧꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯆꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯨꯡꯍꯔꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯡ ꯔꯤꯖꯨꯚꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯈꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯡ ꯔꯤꯖꯨꯚꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯇꯣꯞ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯅ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯐꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯥꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯉꯥꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯣꯔꯦꯠ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯃꯦꯠ ꯆꯦꯟꯖꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯆꯍꯤꯗ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖ 10ꯗꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯨꯡꯍꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖ 10ꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯍꯧꯅꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
The drying and disappearance of spring sources in the hill area is a major cause of rivers running dry. While we are all aware of this concrete reason, the question remains, why are we so slow to act? Now is the time to rejuvenate these vital spring sources. Our focus must turn to hill where the roots of our river lie. This is SKTV Premchand reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.